In this tutorial, let's see how to find and manage your TikTok favorites. TikTok offers a feature that allows to save videos to your favorites for easy access later on. Whether you want to revisit a hilarious clip or save a tutorial for future reference. So, open the TikTok app on your device and scroll through your feed to find a video that you want to save to your favorites. Tap on the bookmark icon located on the right side of the screen. It resembles a small ribbon or flag. After tapping on the bookmark icon, you have the option to manage your favorites. By clicking on Manage, allows you to organize your favorite videos into specific collections or categories. To access your saved favorites, tap on your profile icon located in the top bottom corner of the screen. Next, click on the bookmark icon and your favorites videos will be all displayed under the Posts section. You can also use this method to find other favorite items such as sounds, hashtags, effects, and more. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.